Good day, everyone. Okay, this is a strategy I have tested, and I want to share with my followers. But before you use this strategy, please, I would advise you to backtest it on a demo account for at least a week before you start using it on your live trading account. Please always backtest any strategy you want to use on a demo account before you start using it on your live trading account. So let's go straight to the point. Kindly give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. So the indicator is called the UT Boat Alert. You go to your indicators and search for UT Boat Alert by Quant Normand. So you add it, then you search for your linear regression candles by, you see it, by Uguvu. Yeah, you add it. So you see, immediately you add it, you see your sell and your buy signals popping up and a line. But we're not going to use the default settings. We are going to change the default settings. So you go to your YouTube Boat settings, you go to the key value. The key value here will be changed to 2. The ATR period will be changed to 1. Good. And let's go to the next one, your linear regression candle. This will be changed to 7, and this will be we'll leave this 11 like that. Good. So this is it, as easy as this. So the strategy here is that you please kindly know that this strategy only works on a trending market, not a ranging market. What I mean by trending market is when the market is in sell most of the time or in buy most of the time. So as you can see, this is a sell trending market. If you notice, the sell is going down, lower lows. So you can use your trend line to even mark it. You can see this shows you that the market is going down from this moment. So what we'll be doing is that once we get the sell signal, you see, we got the sell signal here. You're not entering this market until a full sell candle closes below this white line. You can see this white line. Until the full candle closes below this white line, that's when you enter for a sell. Immediately the full candle closes below this line, you go for your shorts and set your take profit. Let's do it this way. Your stop loss should be above here a bit, and you can set your take profit, probably that's around 2:6, 2:1, 1:, yes, let's make it this way. Mostly 1:5 is the best way. 1:5 is the best way, but you can take it to 1:6, 1:8. So let's leave it at 1:6. You see, 1:6. This is 1 hour time frame. Can you know that this is 1 hour time frame? So there's no how this market will not execute. But even if the market goes against us, maybe there's a change of trend, your stop loss will protect you. You already put your stop loss here, so it will please always use your stop loss. It is very important. So it will take you out of the market. So this is it. So let's take another example. let's use this one. You're not entering this market immediately the sell signal triggers. No, you wait for a candle to close below it, a red candle precisely to close below it. So once the red candle closes below it, you know you are going in for your sell. So meaning you'll be going in for a sell right on this candle. I hope you can see it. So let me show you the candle directly. So okay. So this is where you will be entering for your sell. This particular candle is where you'll be entering for your sell, or the candle before it, because the market, the previous candle closes below the white line, so you're entering for your sell here. So that's it. Then let's put our let's set our stop loss and take profit. Short. So I said we'll be entering the market from this place, which will be at the top of this place. So don't forget, your stop loss should be immediately below the lower high, and your take profit, we said 1:6, right? 1:6. So good. So this is it, 1:6. You're out of the market. Once you see that the market is ranging, please don't enter the market. Once you see that the market is ranging, please do not enter the market. So like I said, we only use it on a trending market. The strategy works perfectly on a trending market. Let's try a buy market and see. Why we are not using all these ones, you can see I'm skipping all these ones because they are all invalid. I told you that you only enter when a green candle closes above the line. It opens and closes above the line. So there is no candle that opens and closes above such line. So even if it is a fake one, your stop loss will take you out. So preferably you wait for the candle to form above it and close above it for a buy market. If it is a sell market, it will close below it. It will open below it and close below it. So let's go and take another example for a buy. So let's say let's use this market for example. It's triggered a buy. You are not entering this buy except when this candle closes. That is when you'll be entering for your buy. That candle closes, and don't forget your stop loss. Always use your stop loss. So immediately this candle closes, you're entering for your buy here. Your stop loss will be around this area, and your take profit will be 1:5. Like I said, 1:5. Sorry, need to set it. So your take profit will be around 1:5, or 1:6 rather, 1:6. So this is it. Your take profit will be around 1:6. So kindly note that this is a 1 hour time frame. You can use this strategy on any time frame. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to, let's say, 15-minute time frame and see what's happening there. Okay, good. Let me just remove this trend line. Okay, so as you can see, this is a trending market and the trend is going down, which is sell. You see, it's going down, which is sell. Here there are kind of ranges here, ranging market here, so I advise to always ignore ranging market. So you're entering for this sell only when a candle form below this white line, when a candle form below this white line and closes below it. That is when you are entering for a sell. You are not entering for a sell when a candle didn't close below it, or when a candle is in between. You are not entering for a sell. You are only entering for a sell when a candle closes below it. So let's enter for a sell, and don't forget your stop loss. So you entered for a sell because you entered for a sell here, right? You tighten your stop loss. Can tighten your stop loss. We'll say we'll go with 1:6 or 5. Some can go to 1:8, depending on what you want. But I prefer to just take 1:5 or 6 rather. So this is it. Your market will definitely go. It's just as easy. This strategy is one of the most easiest strategy I've seen. It's one of the most easiest strategies I've seen. If you follow the rules, please, you have to follow the rules of this strategy. Don't go and do the wrong thing, and kindly know that no strategy is 100% perfect, but this I will guarantee you 90% perfect. This will give you at least 90% perfection. So this is it. Kindly drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to support us more, and kindly share our video so that others can learn. Thank you and bye bye. See you on our next episode. Probably next episode I'll be teaching you another strategy that works almost like 95 or 98%. Thank you. Bye.